Welcome to Grammar Cookies. In this new series of tutorial videos, I will focus on JetBrains MPS and grammar cells in particular. If you don't know what JetBrains MPS or grammar cells is, follow the two linked videos above. They will give you a pretty good overview about what the tool is and what you can use it for. In this video series, I will focus on grammar cells in particular, how you can use them to define your own editors and what kind of use cases they are actually good for. Each video will look at a specific editor cell from grammar cells or at a more advanced use case, but they will all be around the 5 minutes mark so that you can easily watch them in a coffee break or over lunch. I plan to publish episodes every week, so make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't. The first episodes will look at the individual cells that grammar cells is adding to editor definitions in MPS. And then in later episodes, we will take a look at more advanced use cases, how to combine different kinds of cells to achieve a certain use case, any kind of things. But still keeping all of these short so that you can easily watch them. You can also submit ideas for topics. So you can either use the comments, just comment below if you would like to see something, or you can head over to the website that also hosts my other full-blown MPS tutorial, which is heavymeter.tv. And there you find a section for grammar cookies where you also find ways to get in touch with me. At that website, also all other episodes will be linked that I do. And it will also contain the samples that we use in the tutorials. So make sure to check it out. I hope you find this useful and interesting. If you have ideas how this could evolve in the future, make sure to comment them below. Feel free to like the video as well and subscribe to the channel if you like to. And then I hope to see you soon in one of the tutorials.